It's a busy mid-priced phone market out there right now, and the Galaxy A56 might struggle to make an impact due to lacking any killer features. But luckily, it does good to great job at everything apart from computing performance, meaning it remains an excellent value if you were to pick it up. Samsung probably misestimated the launch of the Galaxy A56 considering how many other manufacturers have launched phones in the $400 to $600 bracket in the past few months. But if you can find it in the crowd, the new top player of Samsung's budget lineup has a whole lot to offer. As a full-sized phone with plenty of storage and attractive display, some of the AI features that set Samsung's flagship phones apart, and most importantly, a price that's remained stable since last year. Only users who want the most performance per round or better rounded cameras will question the value proposition Samsung is laying down. But with the new Google Pixel 9a and outgoing Pixel 8a, not to mention the Nothing Phone 3a Pro and the iPhone 16e all vying for your attention, why would you go for the Samsung made option? Check out our video of this Galaxy A56 review and you will learn why. You will have to part with $499 to get Galaxy A56 depending on where you are viewing this. Whichever currency you are spending, you are getting to 56 GB of storage by default. It's unfortunate that there is no option to spend more to further expand the storage capacity, but having twice as much storage as the Galaxy A55 from last year without costing a penny more is the kind of upgrade we treasure. Samsung basically imported the Galaxy A56's camera straight from the Galaxy A55. There is a 50MP main camera, a new 12MP ultra-wide and a 5MP macro camera on the back, plus an updated 12MP selfie camera on the front. The new front camera's lower res sensor than the 32MP one previous Galaxy A models features, but one which Samsung promises offers improved low light performances as well as adds HDR video support. Here are some camera samples of Samsung Galaxy A56. With the expectations of people I know to be keen gamers, I'd not hesitate to recommend the Galaxy A56's brilliant blend of power efficiency, image quality on display and via the camera, and generous selection of AI features, software support length and default storage for anyone with their budget fixed at the mid-price range. But I don't know if it would necessarily be my first recommendation to anyone either. The best advice I can give about deciding if you want a Galaxy A56 is how happy you are with a jack of all trade phones. It can be argued that overall balance is better than excellence in a narrow category, and if that's your outlook on life, you'll get on well with the Galaxy A56.